Inspiration. Uh, Let me tell you about one of the best moments that I had. It's not like I'm teaching for like a zillion years. I told you, like more than 10 years, maybe 11, 12 years. Um, but one of the best moments that I had was when I saw uh, some of my students becoming my colleagues. That's something that happened back in Iran, yeah, because I used to work for a language school for a long time. It was like 5 years, if I'm not mistaken. And so in that language school, I could see some of the people who were my students one day becoming my colleagues. And that was one of the best moments that I had because I kind of gave myself credit for that too. I didn't take the whole credit, but yes.